Hey there! We got here an EZVIZ C6CN 2019 home Wi-Fi camera for a review, and we are going to reveal a box contents, compare it to the last year's EZVIZ EZ360, and also connect it and show you a video captured on this cam and this so you can estimate the quality. And before we begin, go to the Pipl Systems website, specify that you're a subscriber, and get your special offer right away when you order from us. I'm Daniel, breaking in.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Unboxing time. So, inside of the box, you'll find, well, the exact camera, of course. There's also, let me remove this. Oh, come on. Yeah, there's also a quick start guide and this brick with other parts, which is a micro USB cable. Here is the power adapter, mounting, sticker for mounting plate, and a few screws. And well, as always, EZVIZ makes two versions, which is a 1080p and 720p, and we got here the exact 1080p version. And commonly, a specifications list located somewhere on the box side. So yeah, here we got a pan and tilt functions with a numbers of 340 degrees pan and 120 degrees tilt. The exact lens field of view is 94. The night vision of 10 meters or a 33 feet. Smart motion tracking, a micro SD support up to 128 gigabytes, and two-way talk owing to a built-in speaker, and a microphone located somewhere here, well, on the sides. Yeah. Also, we have the LAN cable input in here on the back, and by the way, the best place to install this baby is on the ceiling and fix it in there with this box screws and this mounting plate. So the camera would use its smart tracking function properly while witnessing the entire room and having no obstacles. Although the distinctions between C6CN 2019 and EZ360 2017 models are really slight, or they don't even exist at all. Now let's find out. EZ360 has 1/2.7 progressive scan CMOS camera lens, which the C6CN has a 1/2.9 sensor, and that's probably what makes this 4 additional degrees in a views angle for C6CN, which is a 94 degrees and 90 for EZVIZ 360. And this is where the differences end. Let's see how does that modification reflects in a video quality, because all of the rest is 100% identical, well, except the design. But to be fair, they've just removed these circles on body and moved the ones that left to the center. And what you're gonna see now, the video we've shot from EZ360 2017 on your left and C6CN on your right, so you can estimate the quality with your own eyes. And so my favorite segment of the EZVIZ video reviews is of course the connection part, because EZVIZ, I don't know, they just made it so simple, so easy in just a few steps. So yeah, you gotta have a smartphone, it's an iPhone in my case, you gotta go to the App Store or the Google Play and get the free EZVIZ app from the App Store, Google Play for your phone. Anyways, download it, turn on your Wi-Fi, and then you just get the camera out of the box. You just take that cable that goes within the box, you can power plug the camera, then it flashes here on this LED indicator with blue. You go into the EZVIZ app, there we go. And you got this screen, well, of course, after you signed up, create an account, password, and other stuff. But now you got to this screen. What you gotta do now? Well, of course, yeah, that's the only button. You gotta find the QR code located somewhere on the camera. Well, commonly this is a backside or the downside. In my case, located in here. So yeah, we just point our camera to those QR code, that QR code, okay. Adding. And now, yeah, the device have to adjust itself to our network a few seconds. Oh, okay, it does not. It's perfect, okay. Yeah, basic notifications, but let's view the device and I want to show you just how does this looks. Okay, so the basic things. This is a button for on-off live view. This is a speakers. Well, this is button, well, here, as you can see. Here you can pick a quality, let it be the Ultra HD. Yeah, because we can't afford ourselves this. Well, there's a full screen button. So here, how it looks like this. And by the way, there's my camera guy. Hey Val, how you doing? Hey. I was trying myself hard, really. Yeah, and of course, the pan tilt functions. Here you have, well, the basic, really common, really basic stick. And so, EZVIZ C6CN offers you a, I guess, 340 degrees horizontal and 120 degrees vertical, which is cool. But anyways, it's always better to mount this thing over there on a ceiling. Yeah, that's right. You've seen that. But I wanna get down. Oh, we're connecting. Canto. Get down. Oh yeah. And yeah, here you can speak for the camera. Hey Val, how you doing? It's a privacy mode. You know, after you switch this on, the camera lens in here just hides in the body. I mean, if you're just really care about your privacy. Well, that's a cool thing to have, probably. After you take a snapshot and, well, record some video, which then will be saved onto the cloud, onto the video recorder that you tied up with the camera before, or your phone's memory, which is probably really good. So yeah, we're pretty much done. Here are the settings. Everything is just basic here, but well, my goal was to show you how easy that is. And well, now let's conclude just this whole thing up. You might ask, Daniel, which one do I better buy? And I'll tell you that I don't know. I mean, the thing is that you probably won't have a choice, because I think, well, the EZVIZ, they're just gonna replace this EZVIZ 2017 model with a kind of new EZVIZ C6CN on a stores, and so the question just falls off. Anyways, it's better to pick the newest one due to a manufacturer support and new parts used in the assembly. Though we got both EZVIZ C6CN and EZ360 available on the Pipl System Store website. Link is in the description. And you know what? Special offers are applied to the ones who specify that they are subscribed. Thank you for watching. Your protection and your knowing of what's around you are main goals in Pipl Systems.